Assalamu alaikum. In my this lecture, we will study about mitosis, and in my previous lecture, we have also studied cell cycle and its two types, interphase and mitotic phase. And mitotic phase further divided into two phases, which are mitosis and meiosis. Okay. Now, in my this lecture, we will study the details of mitosis. So let's start. What is mitosis? Mitosis is a type of cell division which ensure the same number of chromosome in daughter cell as in parent cell. For example, in case of woman somatic cell, there are 46 chromosomes. If a cell divides by mitosis, then after cell division, in each daughter cell contain 46 chromosomes, as like in parent cell. Okay, so it is a type of cell division which ensure the same number of chromosomes in daughter cells as in case of parent cell. Okay, now we will discuss its four phases, which are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. We can also memorize their four phases in the form of mnemonics P made. P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase and T for telophase. Okay. In my previous lecture, we have studied the detail of interphase. It is a non-apparent cell division, but inside the cell there are many changes occur. For example, centriole duplicate, chromosome number double, some enzymes and protein synthesized during interphase. Okay, then we move next the first phase of mitosis, which is prophase. Okay, during this phase of cell division, nuclear material start disappearing. Okay, and chromatin material start condensing. At the end of prophase, nuclear envelope disappear and chromosomes start appearing. Okay, so then we move next metaphase. During metaphase of mitosis, mitotic apparatus is formed. Okay, mitotic apparatus. During metaphase of mitosis, mitotic apparatus is formed, which consists of three sets of macrotubule. One sets of ester macrotubule. These are ester. One set of ester macrotubule and two set of kinetochore macrotubule and polar macrotubule. Okay, kinetochore macrotubules attach with the chromosomes at kinetochore region of chromosome. Okay, and polar macrotubules do not attach with the chromosomes. So during metaphase of mitosis, each chromosomes appear as a duplicated structure, and each chromosome contain two sister chromatids which are attached with each other at a point of centromere, or known as primary construction. Okay, and this is a kinetochore region where the kinetochore fiber attach and align all the chromosomes at equator. Okay, and align all the chromosomes at the equator of the cell. So they form equatorial plate in this way. Equatorial plate. Okay, in this phase, these kinetochore macrotubules aligns all the chromosomes at equator. So therefore, we call it that they form the equatorial plate. Okay, now we move next metaphase to anaphase. During anaphase, kinetochore macrotubules start contraction. Okay, and polar macrotubules move towards the chromosomes. Okay, in this way each chromosomes detach at its centromere and one sister chromatid move one pole and other sister chromatid move at the end other pole. Okay, in this way during anaphase these chromosomes divide equally. Okay, and at the end of anaphase these sister chromatids move towards their respective pole and divides the cell into two parts. Okay, two daughter cells. Now during telophase two daughter cells are formed and move their respective poles. After this cytokinesis occur, mean division of cytoplasm occur and each cell is formed, mean के one cell is divided into two daughter cell and then this cell then move next into interphase and then prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and then this cycle repeats. Okay, I hope you understand my today lecture. We have a quick review of this lecture. We say that mitosis is a type of cell division which ensures the same number of chromosomes as in case of parent cell. Okay, so mitosis further divided into four phases. Prophase, during this phase nuclear envelope start disappearing and chromosomes start condensing. Okay, and then metaphase, during this phase mitotic apparatus is formed. Okay, mean kinetochore macrotubules, polar macrotubules and one set of ester macrotubules and chromosomes start appearing and they align them at the equator of the cell and form the equatorial plate during metaphase of the mitosis. Now then after the mitosis, after the metaphase, anaphase start. During this phase these polar macrotubules contract and pull the sister chromatid towards the respective pole. Okay, and divides the chromatin material, mean chromosomes, equally at the two opposite pole of the cell. And during telophase these two cells start moving towards the opposite pole and then cytokinesis occur, mean division of the cytoplasm. Okay, after this one cell divide into two daughter cell which contain the same number of chromosomes as in case of parent cell. Okay, so hopefully today you understand my lecture. Allah Hafiz.